We're investing in the Ocotillo Power Plant with new technology. New generators will come online. They call them quick start generators. They will come online in 10 minutes. Quick start technology is an important component of our flexible generation portfolio. When the sun goes down or cloud cover rolls in, solar generation decreases, and we're here to ramp up quickly to provide for your energy needs. We're installing the supercore on Ocotillo GT3. The supercore is part of the gas turbine package, and what the supercore does is compress air, which we fire with natural gas to heat the turbine, which spins the generator. The generator actually generates electricity, which we put out to the grid, and when you turn on the switch in your house, then you get electricity from our generators.